Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, an expressionist at Studio Gallery with a 10 by 10 inch canvas I just covered with some black Meeden paint. And I think I'm ready to go. I have what's called cobalt blue from Artist Loft, which is totally turquoise and totally metallic. I'm going to use some dioxazine purple on either side of it, a lesser amount. I'm going to use some of my color shifting purple flash from Folk Art. I'm going to use some golden product, iridescent gold. It might have another name. And I'm going to use some Amsterdam black with some pre-stained wood conditioner in it. And I have a swipe card. I had two swipe cards, in fact. And they were both right here, right a second ago. And so I'm just going to grab another one, because I put it someplace that I could find it. And now it's gone. I'm going to use actually this clothing tag, which I tend to like to do anyway. With a copious amount of, I'm going off center. And then I'm going to go over there. Back again. I want to put some more over here. I want to tip it. I think I'm going to use a little more turquoise right here. And right here. Yep, I like the turquoise a lot. And then I have to decide what I'm going to do with my edges. And that looks like a good thing. Wondering if I can just take that residual paint and move it right down. And I think I can. I think I can. That's good for me. That, I'm not sure about that. But I kind of like it. But I'm not sure. And I'm going to call it good for now. Am I? I don't know. There, I'm going to break it up and use my residuals right there. That worked out well. I like that. Just still a little paint. Neat. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to call it good. I'm going to tell you guys there's over 93,000 subscribers on my channel, and if you're one of them, thank you very much. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, please join us. We'd love to have you. I have over 2,000 videos, and you can find them by going to my YouTube channel and playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and you can find them by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. I'm happy to answer your comments and your questions. Please give me a thumbs up when you like my videos. It helps me out. When you share them, you help me out. When you watch them longer, it's the biggest help of all. When you shop my Amazon link, it helps me out at no added cost to you, and it's on the link tree, which is the first blue link underneath the video. Wow. Okay. I don't know how long that was like that. I'm happy that it was, though. Darn. I'll have to check later before I publish. Maybe this one's going to Paint Adventures, too. All right. I love you guys. On the link tree, you'll find Facebook groups and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and what else? Thank you very much for all the wonderful comments you leave me, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. On the end screen video in the last 20 seconds, you're going to find next month's drawing prizes choices included in the exhibition video there. My paint pouring recipes below the video, and along with my cell activator recipe. Thinking that if you look at the clothing below the video, you can open any of that and go to a store where you see all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. If you don't mind some high-end stuff, I got some beautiful clothes at Le Gallerist, and it's the top link on the blue link, the link tree. Yeah, I'm tripping again. I think I told you almost everything I can think of, and it's time for me to go, so I'm going to let you go and remind you to ask me questions if you need to. I love you guys. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Out. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you on 7 days a week and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. too. Bye for now.